I'm 22 years old. I was born and raised up in Malaysia. And now, I'm graduated from University Malaysia Perlis in Bachelor of New Media Communication with honors. My hobbies are reading, listening music, and photography. I'm also a beginning learner in Japanese and German language. Besides that, I'm good in using Microsoft Office, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Furthermore, I'm also good in using Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Adobe After Effects. I am an energetic and ambitious person. I can build an effective relationship and excellent in working with others in order to achieve a certain objective. Last but not least, I am also experienced in new media, communication, and teaching. Now, I'm hoping to get an opportunity that can allow me to enhance my skill in your organization. I truly believe that I can build a positive and real impact to your organization. If you want to know more about me, you can check out my website and do contact me at. That's all about myself. Thank you for watching.